Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna dive deep into geometry. So let's just dive right in. So opposite angles are first of all equal when parallel lines. So these two are parallel lines and this is a random line intersecting those two parallel lines, okay? So there are a few properties for this. So opposite angles are equal, okay? And then we have this corresponding angles. These two are corresponding angles, right? So corresponding angles are equal, and these two angles, supplementary angles are supplementary, obviously. So just remember this one. Linear pair, I mean, uh, angles closer to each other will be supplementary, okay? You have this, then again you have corresponding angle, and here you have corresponding angle again, and then you have supplementary, 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 and then opposite, opposite, and then again opposite, opposite. So that's all about angles, okay? So you have the sum of interior angles of triangles. Sum of interior angles of triangle equals 180 degrees, okay? So what else do we have? Okay, I'll explain why this came. There's a general formula for a polygon with n sides. N minus 2 into 180, okay? So for triangle, n is equal to 3 because the number of sides is 3. So it's 3 minus 2 into 180, which is 1 into 180, which is 180, right? Obviously. As simple as that. So you have this. What else do we have? Yeah, the criteria. Let's say these two lines are parallel. Let's say these two lines are parallel. This line and then this line, okay? So this intersects these two, okay? And this is parallel to this line. Then it means that let's say the length of the this is A and this is B and this is D and this is C. So here what the criteria is that A by B equals C by D. That is the ratio of the sides are same. So the line divides this triangle in the same ratio. Okay. So let's say the two sides of the triangles are equal. Then the third side is also equal, and all the angles are equal. That's called SAS criteria. Okay. And then we have all the three sides equal, which automatically implies to all the angles are also equal. This is SSS criteria. So if all the angles are equal, then obviously those three triangles are similar. the ratio of the size in that triangle is same. This is angle criteria. If two angles are same, the third angle is also same, which automatically implies that uh, those two are congruent, right? You also have ASA, but if you're similar with these, you're just good to go, okay? So we have this formula: pi radian equals 180 degrees, which is 1 degree is equal to pi radian by 180 degrees. Like that, you can just convert. Now you can multiply both sides by the degree you want, or if it's in here, you can multiply both sides directly so that you'll get the design degree. So what else do we have? Okay, apparently nothing. Okay then, that's it for today guys. Bye, see you tomorrow.